Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. I am up here at the Conyers shop. Just got done tearing down the 2010 Chevy Aveo. Found that the block's all screwed up from the pistons. It chewed up the cylinder walls and shit, so it's not fixable, and it's got to have a new block, new pistons, and all that shit. So I'm waiting for the customer to get here. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to walk around here and look for some parts to take home. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and we're gonna look for some stuff to take back to the shop to make things more useful there. So now let's get to it. Alright, so far what I found some Dodge mud flaps that I'm going to cut down and use for the rear of the Beast, and probably a fan that I'm going to install in there. I'm not sure what it's going to be in yet. Maybe the Beast, maybe the GT. I haven't figured it out yet. But it's going to be in one of those. Oh, there's an ignition switch with a key in it. Nice. I didn't even know I had that. It's crazy when you find shit you don't even know you had. It's a good ignition switch. I think. I mean, feels good. Could be bad, but it's a 3-wire. That's a basic switch. That's a basic switch. I wouldn't even know what that came out of. Here's a switch for the bike I'm taking home, but it's not going back on there. I've got the key to that, so I could actually use that too for something. Hell, I could use that for the damn... I could use that for the fucking Beast build. Yeah. Ignition coil. Oh yeah, I know what that came off of. That came off of a what are those damn things called? It's like a mule, but it's not. Trail wagon. It's Trail Wagon TW200 it came out of. That's what it was. Solenoid. Came out the same unit. And a battery terminal wire. What we got in here? We got an old wore out pulley that I'm going to use for the center hub. Odds and shit. Wire conduit. Okay, let's see what's in here. Oh yeah. Intake manifold. Trail wagon. Something else in here? kind of a hard bag to use with one hand, so there we go. So we got some parts here. Some here. So also taking back a manual tire machine, and I have the extension for that. So that'll make our job a lot easier at the shop. Now we're going to go back here and see what we can find. Don't think there's anything in this shop that I could use, except I want to get these from Randy, my buddy Randy. There's two of them, and they're light poles. They mount to a four-wheeler or ATV, or in my case tractor, and there's the switch for it. They're lighted whips, and I think they're cool. It'd be good riding lights for nighttime. So now that he don't have a four-wheeler anymore, I'm possibly gonna try to talk him out of those, because they're cool. American flags on them. Yeah, they're cool. He was gonna sell me this, but I don't want this. I don't listen to music when I ride. It kills the vibe of nature to me. People blasting music in the woods, nah, I'm good on that. If other people want to do it, that's fine, but I'm not going to be that guy. It's not my thing. Junk, junk, and more junk. That is a bunch of weed eater line. Okay, well, let's go in here. I was going to go back in the fence area, but check this out first. Hoses and, you know what? I'll take that hose. I'll take that hose too. Brackets, valves. Some of these parts are off of my Dodge van that I did deletes on, like AC and what else was it? I did an AC delete. Might have been it. Because I mean, I deleted everything. I took out the fucking condenser, as you see over there. Condenser. I could probably somehow cut that down and use this for the grill in the fucking Beast build And then put the fan in front of that, right in front of the engine. Ooh. I like the idea. Taking it too. Yeah, because I'm trying to go after that rat rod look. It's a damn. Ooh. Ooh. That looks like a front end piece for the GT to me. Them ball joints are okay. Throw a little bit of lube in them hose. Ride. See if I can locate another one. There's my belt. That could be of some use for the snorkel on the GT. Not GT, but the Beast. Looks like a good bracket. Do not see one of the tie rod ones. Damn. It's alright, I'll end up finding one. I just don't know where it's going to be. That is the question. Alright. I'm gonna gather these parts up and see what we got. Alright, so got us some tires here. What are those? 20 by 10 by 8s. And 23 by 9, 50 by 12s. These were the ones that originally came off the back of the GT. I am going to take them home with me just to have them. I'm going to take this one as well because I have another one at the house that matches it already. I think. I got to check. A couple gas cans for the trailer build. Off-road trailer build. So, let's see here. This thing the lid. Is that really in there? Okay. I'll take those 2 cans. And we got a GY6 project here that I'm taking home. This is the scooter that I've had for a while. I want to turn it into a like a mini bike for dirt. Put some dirt tires on it. Weld up a frame for a seat to come up. Remove that light, kind of, you know, cut that off. Get this shit situated to where it's just like a bike instead of a damn scooter. Get it all cleaned up a little more. Around here, all this shit come off. That way, you know, basic little bike. Maybe put a light on it. Fix it for the channel. Ride it around a little bit. And probably sell it. I don't think I want to keep it. I've tried selling it as a scooter and nobody wanted it, of course. Yeah, I wouldn't want a scooter either. So, make it into a toy. Maybe somebody will snatch it up, because it's a 50cc block, but it's a 90cc. It's been bored, and it's had a stroke kit put in it. It had a bunch of high performance parts on it when I stripped it down. I got it up to, what was it? It was like 71 and a 35. But it was a pretty fast little bitch. So, thinking I'm going to take it home and make a project out of it. Turn around and sell it. Invest that money in another project. So, I mean, it's kind of complete. It needs some shit, but throttle's still there. This shit that you know, can be salvaged here. And I will be trying to do so. So that is what we're working with so far. So I'm going to see if I can locate anything else parts wise that I'm going to take back to the shop with me. Well, this is the last of it. Found a little weed eater gas can. Probably use it for a build. More hose. Piece of wire conduit. An air cleaner cover for something that's a little melted. But spark plug. Don't know what it's from. Safe anyway. And it looks like an old drain plug or something. But that's my find. So I'm about to get loaded up. In the next couple days I'll be headed back down to the house and start working on projects again. I just met with the customer on the car here, and she still wants to continue on with the build. So we got to get a block and everything else. So there will be a rebuild video, and it will be more money. It will be more work. So there will be a part 2, part 3, maybe a part 4. Be tearing the block out, whole engine, and getting ready for the new one. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. See you on the next one.